TradingView users often face errors like 504 Gateway Timeout, 403 Forbidden, and Custom Response Serializer Failed. A 504 error means the server didn't respond in time, usually during peak traffic. These errors disrupt real-time data and trading. A 403 error signifies blocked access, potentially due to IP restrictions or VPN usage. The Custom Response Serializer Failed error indicates a problem with data formatting for the TradingView app. This was mitigated by updating serialization protocols in version 1.7 using JSON Web Tokens. Since late 2025, TradingView has upgraded its infrastructure by migrating to a hybrid cloud architecture using AWS and Google Cloud and implementing edge computing. To troubleshoot 504 Gateway Timeout errors, start by refreshing the page to retry the request. If that doesn't work, switch to a different browser or wait for server recovery. For 403 forbidden errors, disable any VPN you're using, as it may trigger geo-blocks. Clear your browser cookies to reset session data, or contact TradingView support for account assistance. The Custom Response Serializer Failed error can be resolved by updating the TradingView app to the latest version and ensuring you have a stable internet connection. TradingView uses Nginx proxies and Kubernetes for load balancing to handle high traffic. Avoid exceeding API limits of 10,000 requests per hour for free accounts. Use tools like Postman for API testing to avoid errors. Trends show AI-driven prevention for traffic surges and blockchain authentication. TradingView's status page tracks real-time incidents with 99.9% uptime in 2025. Update to browser versions like Chrome 120+ to prevent serializer errors. Premium subscriptions provide faster recovery during server issues, as shown in their pricing plans.